Well, hello everybody. I got these two Banjo Pan Dream Mat mats in the mail, and I've got this little 3D printed sluice that I made a while ago on one of my printers, and I haven't really done anything with it, and I've just been kicking it around. I actually ended up getting a bigger setup. So these little units that I was going to use on the DMAG system aren't needed anymore. So I'm going to just see if I can't make just a little tiny tabletop cleanup sluice out of this and just see what happens. And to do that, I'm just going to hot glue one of them down. Maybe I'll get the other one. Hot glue a couple of them down and then basically put this there so that it fits like this. Let's see, like this. I know I cut it earlier, like this. And then I'll put hot glue here and here, maybe on the edge, and see what happens. So just want to test it. Not a big deal if it works or not, but I thought maybe I'd just see, what would happen. So I'm just gonna take this extra bit of styrofoam off real quick with this razor blade and glue it down into that spot. So, I'll do that part first. Let's see here. Right there. I just put just a little bit of glue. I don't really want much. They want to be able to get this thing off again. Just a tiny little bit of glue. Just like that. Alright, so, and then this piece I want right here. Just like that. So, put some glue on the bottom of this. Hold the contour. There we go. Now just put some on the edge here so it stays, and then I'm going to make like a little ramp with the glue, hot glue. Lick my finger. There you go, just like that. Probably put a little bit more, and I'll probably end up putting a little diverter kind of sort of this way. Something like that, yeah, like that. Not too tall. Put the glue. Let's put it actually a lot more than I put on the other part on this. Okay. Seal this off so we don't get any water in there. Oh hell, I'll make a little ramp out of styrofoam so I know it's working. There. Like that. Okay, well, that is, so far, the little mini sluice setup. Okay, let's see if I can find something to put it in. Just to find something else real quick. Okay, everybody, I have this, I have the sluice set up. I hooked it to this little tiny pump, a solar circulation pump, 12 volt. 8 liters per minute, 2.1 gallons per minute, if that makes any difference to you guys. And I'm going to try to run these concentrates from my trip to Arizona. I already took off and screened everything before I got here, and I haven't had a chance to pan through this, so I would like to try out this little sluice system and see if it has the ability to catch some of the gold that's in there, and hopefully we'll get good results. I don't know, I just like the idea of a little tabletop sluice. So I'll just hook it up with the little hose on the top. It actually had a different little port, but I plugged it up using this port. Just sticking on the top. And so what I'll do is I'll just start spooning it in to the little sluice. Just trying to scoop it a ton here. See if I can't get it to drop out the gold that's in there. It's right here. So there's the gold that it's catching.